So I would have visited my ex-boyfriend there, but I'm not going to visit my ex-boyfriend now.
Montreal's nice.
No, he lives in Vancouver. Here, it's really nice there.
Same thing with that is like, it's kind of like Vegas. A lot of strip clubs and stuff like that. I'm not really into all that, you know? I mean, not that I'm saying I don't like chicks, but it's not that awesome to me to see somebody dancing. Like, all right, that's great, let's go. You know?
Oh, what are you talking about?
Like Montreal, you know, all the strip clubs and shit.
Yeah, you pay blue balls.
Yeah, exactly. you give them all this money for what? They're not doing anything with you, so that doesn't work for me too well.
Yeah. I think if it's anything, you don't go for the ladies. You go to be like, yeah, man, we're all chilling.
That's why I went, because it was like boys' bachelor party.
Yeah, you go to a strip club to feel just like a gangster or something. You smoke a big cigar, you drink a scotch, and you sit back and naked women dance around you, and that's it. That's your yeah, motherfucker.
Dude, that's like Ish's dream.
You know, that's what you do.
Are you videotaping?
You don't go to and be like, let me just stare at that.
Are you recording?
No.
Oh, I thought you were, because you just had to.
What the hell is that?
What's up? I'm at my apartment, man. Yeah, where are you at?
Alright, let's rock. I'm taking it up enough.
Yeah, I wanted to show you Times Square.
You gotta announce who's playing and stuff.
Brian, I guess Brian Park.
We got Brian, aka Bronx, playing. We got Slick, Handle over there.
Oh, definitely we're gonna want to go to my but we can talk about it. Is Andrew there?
Sorry, I'm just talking to my mom.
I don't even know who's on there.
Because he said he wants to come too.
I'm Ryan.
See, this is like casual tournament right here.
Yeah.
Oh, this leans back. Oh, shit.
Easy Ibiki.
Oh, this is nice. I had no idea this leaned back. It's a good one.
Yo. Oh.
Oh.
Monster down.
Well, I would. The only problem with that is that's kind of far from where my friend's show is playing. Yeah, it's like it's over on 33rd. But listen, what time is it? It's like 9 o'clock.
Oh.
I'll call you back like in a
The juggle.
half hour. I mean, if you guys find something, if you find other bars to go to around the area, I mean, I don't know. I can't. I want to stay kind of close. That's the only thing. They're playing at 33rd and Park. Man, I guess that's not too far then, I guess. I don't know.
Well, Park, that's just east.
Yeah, but my other friend's going to another bar that's down in East Village.